Hi, Chase Ames with the Ames Team Realty, here to give you the market update for the month of September 2022. Now to go into that, we really need to start with August numbers. So for the month of August of 2022, sold listings were at about 364, which is about 29% less than where they were 12 months prior, and pretty similar to where they were the month prior to that of this year. Now, the market is slowing slightly, and sales have slowed down really because of interest rates. The interest rates were historically low, and they were really pandemic driven and fueled by the low interest rates. So that's obviously gone back up closer to where normal rates have been historically over the last 20 years. And with active listings are back up to a little over 1,500 homes for sale on the market right now. And that's about triple from where it was earlier this year when we peaked back in March and April. And the good news is, though, the number of homes coming in the market has actually slowed down. So we had a really steep curve, and now it's kind of plateaued back to normal. Again, back to almost the same type of numbers we were pre-COVID, running about 1,500 homes on the market at the time. The absorption rate, meaning the amount of homes for sale, or really the supply of homes, and how fast it would take for everything to sell out if nothing else were to come on market, is about 3.36 months supply of homes. Now, 0 to 3 months is considered a seller's market. Anywhere from the 3 to 5 months is considered a neutral market, which is where we are right now. And then anything above 5+ months is considered a buyer's market. So again, we're right in the middle, basically where we should be. The market is plateaued. It's a normal market again, so things are really quite strong still. Now, the biggest shift we've seen in the supply and demand of the market lately isn't so much of the demand from buyers slowing down, but really more so the supply of homes for sale. So there's just simply been a lot more homes coming up for sale than, let's say, buyers not being able to afford homes right now or backing out because of the rise in interest rates. So it's still a very strong market. It still makes a lot of sense for sellers right now, given that the pricing has been changing, and it still makes sense for buyers to get in with the expected rates to be going up. Now, right now, early September, rates are hovering around the 6% mark, which is still lower than what we're seeing in most markets around the country. So Southern Utah, St. George, you actually have a big benefit right now. Now, what the average sales price has done recently was, for the month of August, it was $587,000. Now, compared to the peak again back in March, that's down about $76,000, and that's about 11.5%. So that doesn't mean that values have necessarily dropped by $76,000 or 11.5%, but we're seeing necessarily the average price has done that. So there could be some outliers of, a couple extra additional $200,000 homes sold, or maybe a couple extra $2 to $3 to $4 million homes sold that skewed that. So it's just simply an average, but it's a good number to look at. So again, it's down about $76,000 from where we peaked back in March. Now, compared to the month prior in July, we went down about $29,000 and close to 5%. So we've seen much more of a jump in the last 30 days than we did, let's say, the couple of months before that. So things are changing. Things are still good, though. I hope this market update was helpful for you, and know that the Ames team is always here to help and answer any questions you might ever have.